All right, this is the guest room. Actually, the pandemic guest room has been turned into a little bit of a staging zone for builds. And I'm waiting on parts for every build, so I don't have a full segment on any of them, but kind of bored, and I did get this little package finally. Got some other things here, so while I'm waiting on full parts to show up for the JLU segment 4, I think I'm going to go ahead and throw in the Furitek just to see the difference with the motor I've got in there and the controllability. So I'm going to take that out and test it. I may drive the Jeep a little bit just to see the difference, how it's performing with the RC four-wheel drive. I think that's a 110 turn 030 motor with a 10 tooth pinion. So I'm going to leave all that in there, just plug in the Lizard to the stock ESC as the receiver, and just see what all the hype is all about. We've all seen it with the Surpass motor, which I've got a couple here for some other builds that are hiding right now in the box still, yet to be started. But there's just not a lot out there on, okay, this is stock, basically system. How does this, how much does the Lizard really improve that? So anyways, let me get to it. All right, here's a little test run with this RC four-wheel drive motor with the 10 tooth pinion, just stock battery. Let's see how slow we can start up here. See, it just wants to start. And there's really not a lot of slow startup. All right, let's see, a little slow crawl. So that was constant trigger, no feathering. Let's just start up slow. A lot of whine. There's just a lot of junk. Yeah, when it starts, it starts. Let's just crawl up to this. So, alright, let's put the Lizard in and hopefully we get some improved control here and some adjustability and get rid of that whiny noise, and we should be able to just fit it in, clip it to the stock ESC, and be good to go here. So let's see. All right, I got the Lizard in, and we'll give her a little slow crawl comparison here. No ESC noise at all. Man, much better control. And it's not that super torquey Surpass motor, but I mean a massive improvement over the stock Remember the stock one would sit there and whine for a second and then kind of take off, whereas this one just starts right away. You can kind of just ease it. Not bad at all. I mean, I would definitely say that's a massive improvement over the performance, the control. Now the power of the motor is a whole different thing. The pinion. I mean, this one is not bad. I think it's a little bit better than stock. And I guess since the old ESC receiver is now just acting as a receiver, it still is running the lights. Everything still plugged in. So I just plugged in the Lizard to channel 2 and plugged the Lizard into the battery and to the motor, and that's it. Everything else I left plugged into that stock ESC. So that's the main thing. I just kind of wanted to see what this would do just on a, people that are not going nuts with their motors and transmission plates and just kind of are building and upgrading a stock one. And then they get to a point and it's like, well, now I've built the stock one, but I want it to perform a little better. This Lizard is an easy way to get more performance without having to go nuts on, some kind of brushless motor or whatever. And you can just stop it wherever. Man, alright, so that's it for this little mini update, and hopefully I'll have all the parts in soon, and I'll do the part 4 build on this, which hopefully may be the the final piece to this JLU trail truck, and then I can start on something new. So hope you enjoyed.